You want to know everything. It's simple as that. And you can feel totally overwhelmed. And you want to know what the Birthing Better skills are all about. Well, first you need to know that they were developed by hundreds of fathers and mothers in the early 70s and 80s, and many of them were first-time mothers and fathers like yourself. We were desperate to do something for ourselves. And so we developed skills so that we could do that. And we developed skills so that we could prepare our pregnant body for the activity of birthing our baby. And fathers were absolutely instrumental in developing those skills. We share the same body. The skills then help us work through the activity of what is unknown until it unfolds. So one set of skills is preparing our body. The other set of skills is just the birth and coaching, management of birth as it unfolds. And they're all practical skills. So why do you want to learn these skills if you know nothing? Well, no woman knows what her birth will be like, even if we're having our 20th baby. We become more confident when we have the skills to do the task that we have to do. And fathers become so much more confident in birth coaching us if they know that we share a good set of skills. And you want to be able to work with and around all of the internal sensations you have or what's happening to or around you, including all of the assessments and monitoring procedures. You want a safe birth and you want a positive experience. Being a skilled birthing woman can help you do both, and being a skilled coaching dad or other can help the woman achieve both. You can't replay the experience, so you want to make the best of it now. Commit yourself to learning the skills anytime after 24 weeks and spend 5 to 15 minutes a day to prepare your body and learn the birth coaching skills. If you're 40 weeks plus, then just do a cram course. Any skill is better than none. You'll use the skills because they're applicable to the task you're going to do. And then prepare your birth canal, your vagina, and get over the shock of doing that. Start that from 32 weeks and 5 minutes a day. That's all it takes. This homework will pay off big time during the birth. Second stage will be a piece of cake. We've all heard about the ring of fire. That won't happen. Your baby will ease out of your body because you prepared your vagina. And listen to the audio of the birth journey. That's a practice to the contractions, so you learn to work together. And you want to know when. Practice the skills throughout the day while you're doing other stuff. The only skills you need to practice, well, just doing those are the body skills and preparing the birth canal. And when your belly begins to tighten with Braxton Hicks contractions towards the last few weeks of pregnancy, use the skills then so that you get into a habit of using them. And as soon as you think labor is started, whether it turns out to be false labor or not, just keep using your skills until your baby is born. And if you're having a non-laboring cesarean, do what we did. We loved learning the skills in pregnancy, and then we used them on the way to the hospital. That was our labor. Well, being prepped, that was our transition, and during surgery, that was our baby's birth. We actively birthed our baby using breathing, relaxation, skills, communication, and teamwork skills. And we loved it. So who's the who? The most important person that you want to impress at your birth is yourself, whether you're the birthing woman or the birth coach. You'll impress those who attend your birth, and they will praise and compliment you. They see so few skilled families, and you'll impress your baby. As soon as you get pregnant, you're a parent, so you want to use your skills throughout the activity of birthing your baby, just as you'll use skills as soon as your baby is born. If you have a skilled birth, you will then be ready to put the birth behind you and focus on your baby after the birth. Don't go into your first birth lacking skills. They are absolutely essential, and you'll find if you have subsequent births that you will just improve and improve and improve in how skilled you are.